Hi everyone, I hope you're all staying safe today. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be learning to use the split strategy to solve decimal subtraction questions. So let's get started. So when we use the split strategy, we split or partition, or another word for it is to break up the number using place value and then subtract them. You need to remember to always have the largest number first. So this number first has to always be bigger than this number. Then what you need to do is you need to use your place value to break up the number and solve it. So the first thing we do is we need to add the hundreds together first. So we break it up, so we need to do 200 take away 100. Then we need to add our tens. So 8 tens and 5 tens, so 80 take away 50. Then we need to add our ones, so 9 and 8. So 9 take away 8 is 1. And then we need to add our tenths. So as a decimal, 5 tenths looks like this. And 4 tenths looks like this. So it should look like 0.5 and 0.1. Then all you do is you do 0.5 take away 0.4. And since they're in the same spot, we just do 5 take away 4, which is 0.9. Then we add our hundredths. So this, we've got 5 hundredths and we've got 1 hundredth. So that looks like this. So that's 5 hundredth and 1 hundredth. So what we need to do is we just need to take away the 5 and the 1. And we actually get 4. And in this one, we actually get 1. Then what we need to do is we need to add them all together. Now I'm just going to fix my number problem down the bottom here because it's actually wrong. So we need to take away 100. We need to plus 130 plus 1 plus 0.1 plus 0.4, and then we need to add them together. So it's going to be 131.14. That's going to be my answer. Here's another example. So I'm going to be taking away 98.59, take away 44.44. So what I need to do first is I need to take away my tens first. So 9 tens and 4 tens. So 90 take away 40 equals 50. Then what I need to do next is I need to take away my ones. So 8 ones and 4 ones. So 8 take away 4 equals 4. Then what I need to do is I need to take away my tenths. So I've got 5 tenths here and 4 tenths. That's going to look like this. 0.5 take away 0.4. So all I'm doing in this one is I'm just taking away 5 take away 1, and I'm leaving everything else the way it is. So it's going to be 0.1. Then I need to take away my hundredths. So I've got 0.09 here, so 9 hundredths, and 4 hundredths, so 0.04. So it's going to look like this. 0.09 take away 0.04. So the only thing I'm taking away in this one is 9 take away 4, and I'm leaving everything else exactly the way it is. So it's going to be 0.05. Okay, the next thing I need to do is I need to add all of these together. And then I'm going to get my answer. So my answer today is going to be 54.15. That is my answer. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed this video. What you need to do now is you need to go back onto Google Classroom and complete the activity for today, which is Thursday, week 3, split strategy subtraction. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Bye.